Hey art lovers, welcome to my studio. So in the past month or so, I've been really digging in deeply into CAS drawings and learning how to paint values and all of that kind of good stuff. So I've actually decided that I've been doing a lot of work from photos and from reference, but I've decided that it's time to maybe set up my own atelier, if you want to call it, or set up my own CAS drawing studio here in my home to basically try to draw casts and learn about values and how the shadow interacts with forms and everything from a live model. So this is my live model here. So let's just call her random cast girl number, I don't know, 57 or something like that. And this is basically a cast that I've had 3D printed by my good friend. I've found a good 3D model on the internet, and my friend printed it for me, and I've set it up here. So this is a process that a lot of ateliers or art academies or the famous Florence or the famous Michael John Angel Academy of Art in Florence, that a lot of famous people, like famous artists like Cesar Santos or people went there. They basically learned this way at their academy, and it's drawing from a cast. So you actually set up like this black box, if you want to call it, get one light source here, that's my light over there, and then set up your easel and try to replicate and what you see, the forms and values and everything that the cast has, and like draw it or paint it. In this example, I've drawn it with charcoal and pencil on paper, and it's really good practice to basically get the forms there, to practice forms and values and how shadows interact on the form. In this video, I'll be going through the process of how I've actually drawn this cast. It'll be a speed cast, and I hope you like it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or like my videos if you like the content. Click that notification bell. And that's it, guys. I hope you will enjoy it.